Today's fun job project, this old boat lift. It's all heavy galvanized. Unfortunately it's galvanized, so it doesn't get classified as prepared. But that's alright, it's heavy. And I think there's a couple of motors. So we're gonna get it loaded up. Backbreaker. That's some heavy boys right there. Hope you can hear me alright with that air conditioner. These are the motor covers. They got cracks in them. If they weren't cracked, I could sell them both for $25. Every time there's a tropical storm, they fly off and we put them online and resell them. Alright, there is some cable we can cut off of here. I do believe that's stainless. Looks like stainless. Got some foam blocks to pick up and then we're out of here. Woo! Laura, check out that staghorn. Oh my heavens. It's taken over the whole tree. I've seen my grandfather have some massive ones back in the day, but that's impressive. Unbelievable. That thing's been here a long time. Wow. Yeah. These are the pink plumerias. I just got me some sample cuttings, and someday I'll have a big one like that too.
They're like not a little less common than yellow.
Good morning. Welcome back to the Gulf Coast. So I'm gonna make a scrapyard. Make a run to the scrapyard. Got some miscellaneous goodies in here. It's 50-50 on the truck, but I gotta get all this metal out of here. Need to lighten this truck up for its next venture. And we got the boat lift. Yeah, I cut the wires off already. They're cut, they're ready to go. The boxes, the control boxes are no good, but you hear that click? Yeah, there's a silver contact in there. Technical silver. I'll pull it out, add it to the rest of them. All right, we're strapped down. It ain't looking pretty, but we'll get it there. The lady at the office, she's like, "You can't turn in a flat screen TV." I said, "Yeah, I know. That's going to another scrapyard. Probably like the only one in Florida I know of that will take them." Mr. Scrappity Scoop. Light iron, 1,080 pounds, 7 cents a pound for $75.60. Light iron aluminum, 28 pounds, 15 cents a pound, $3.90. Aluminum extrusion, 6 pounds, 85 cents. Damn, it really dropped. Oh well. $5.10. And 40% recovery wire, still holding strong at $1. 8 pounds for $8. It's I don't know what time it is. It's dark 30. It's a really long Monday. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share me out, and stay tuned. There's something special coming up next. As long as there's enough room for the hand truck. You're not classified as a hoarder. There we go. Come on. Get these damn laptops out of here. A few flat screens.